We have an extremely compact Alpin camper, and actually it's from Dangel 4x4. So they are still making 4x4 conversions, but they are not making any more conversions from the Ducato Citroën chassis. They just now focus on the small Peugeot Citroën variants. And if we check, we have a small pop-up roof on the upper part and a pretty nice interior. So 3 people sitting and probably 2 people sleeping. Small domestic fridge, small cooking setup, but you can check 4x4 partner, and we shall be having a better look from the back. Small sink with fold down storage. Well, this looks pretty great. And then you have an actual fresh and gray water storage. Additional storage unit there and additional storage unit here. And then probably you take and slide out this part and make a comfy 2-bed sleeping area. Well, pretty interesting design, and also it's a 4x4 with Geolander 80 tires, so slightly capable more off-road. Not bad at all.